My wrist is the X Games, diamonds they shut it. If she got a head start, she could go flood it. How you got a head start, still got no credit. The first thing I learned in the hood is to get it.
Yo, I always wonder why people say this at the start of financial videos. And I just did the research myself, and I'm saying it too. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling y'all what I know. I did not know people could sue you for this. I'm not responsible if somebody messes up their credit. Alright, so this video is about how you are losing out on money by not making your payments with credit. In this day and age, all prices are jacked up to counteract credit card fees. What I mean by that is by using a certain bank or financial institution's cards to make your purchases, they give you back points, cash back, or different rewards. But where does the funding for these rewards come from? Basically, the bank charges the merchant anywhere from 1.5 to 3.5% of your purchase as a fee for connecting your bread to their store. And to minimize losses, merchants keep these fees in mind when setting prices, which essentially drives up prices. With that being said, every time you make a purchase using cash, you are paying the price that is jacked up to counteract credit card fees, whether you're taking advantage of the rewards or not. You're basically overpaying for stuff because they're expecting you to be collecting points and rewards, but since you're not, you're just sitting there with nothing. Plus, a lot of credit card companies work with brands to bring their customers exclusive offers such as discounts, extra cash back, and reservations to sold out events. For example, there's a Taylor Swift concert that's coming up. I don't really go to concerts, but I received the email from one of the cards that I'm with. For this event, they reserve tickets and are giving their members a chance to buy them at the original price, when a lot of people would have to go and buy it from a reseller that's gonna probably upcharge them double the price or something like that. Not to mention, if you don't have a credit card or you have one and you're not using it correctly, or maybe you only have one, you're missing out on the chance to make your life a lot easier if you ever need to finance anything or you need to take out a loan, whether it's a personal or a business loan. Also, the longer you keep a good credit history, the better your credit score will be and the better credit cards you will qualify for, which also means better rewards, which means more bread. Banks want to make money from the transaction fees. They get a percentage from the merchant when you use their card to pay the merchant. But if you don't pay back what you owe on time, you will accumulate debt and you will get a bad credit score.
I don't want to have to you up, Smokey. Playing with my money is like playing with my emotions.
This is where the idea that credit cards are bad comes from. But if you use it correctly, credit cards can be a loan they can get for around 50 days with no interest. Don't look at it as free money. Why would somebody just give you free money for no reason? They don't even know you. But that's how people mess up. If you make a payment at the start of your cycle, you would have 30 days until that goes on your statement, and then you should have at least 21 days after that to pay off your statement. Don't try to guess or estimate these days. Make sure you pay attention to the dates on your account. So as long as you treat it like a debit card and only spend what you have in your bank account and then pay it back on time at the end of the month, there are only benefits. If you don't have the money in your bank account, don't spend it on your credit card, unless you're leveraging credit, but that's a whole nother thing. Growing up, all I heard is don't get into credit cards. They're bad. You will get into debt. But there's no danger as long as you're responsible. And if you're old enough to get one, you're at least 18. You're an adult. You're going to have to start being responsible anyways. So you might as well start building a good credit history and take positive steps towards your future so your life can be easier in the future. You're probably going to have a tougher time financing cars, renting, taking out a mortgage, taking out a business loan, or anything that has to do with anyone trusting you with money if you don't have credit history or you have bad credit history. So if you're now interested in credit and you have no credit history, reach out to your bank and see if you qualify for any cards with them. Some people will have to start off with a secured credit card, but it's definitely possible that you've already been pre-approved for a credit card with your bank. Also, if you want to know how to build a good credit score and the benefits of having a good credit score, I suggest that you subscribe because there is a lot and I will be going over them. This is really some stuff that they should be teaching in school, but I also wanted to mention that purchases are more secure if you make them with credit cards. Most credit cards have purchase protection, so it's not as bad if someone scams you or steals your card and just starts tapping with it. A real popular one is when people put those fake card machines at the gas pumps. That's ever happened to you? In this case, you would be protected during the investigation because the money would be taken from your current credit balance instead of being taken from your bank account. And who knows what you need that money for. But if someone were to do these things and you paid with debit, that's gone. And you would have to wait until your bank runs the investigation and decide if they want to reimburse you or not. But you are not protected while they run that. Like if you need that money, it's gone. For the meantime. Yeah, for the meantime. Shit, that's probably why Central Cee said, before I give you the pin to my wait.
Before I give you my Insta password, I'll give you the pin to my Amex. Alright.
Like, it's safer, bro. You're protected. I'll pick it too. Just remember, the rewards that you get from a credit card are based on how much you're spending. So if you spend a lot of money, you're gonna get a lot of points. Or straight up money back. You can literally get money back on every purchase that you make. That would definitely add up. And if you want to learn more, whether it's how to build credit, the benefits of having good credit, or the best cards for the best rewards, shit, subscribe to get in tune.
Yeah, if you got a good girl, then style her. She said it's the thought that counts, but let's be real. You don't believe that shit, and she don't believe that either. If you can't afford that girl, just leave her alone, it's wiser. He doesn't trust this chick with the big boys, that's why he gaslights her and hides her. Just got chased in the whip, I'm good. Sang in a car to I'm a survivor.
Like my shit.